Hi everybody, this is Anthony. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Facebook group poll using AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, reason why you want to create some polls inside of your group is it's going to get a lot more engagement from your members inside of the group. So you get a lot more activity. You may get to know them better by creating these polls, and they want to communicate with you more, right? Okay, so how you create a poll is you just click on the public post. Okay, and then you're going to come down to the three dots here where it says more, and you're going to click on that, and you're going to come over here to polls and click that. Okay, now once you got your polls set up, you're going to need some content, right? Some engaging content to get your members active inside of your Facebook group. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use AI to get this started. It's a program called Jarvis AI. Okay, so I'm gonna jump over there, and one of their templates is called poll questions and multiple choice answers. And what this does is it's going to get your community engaged more, and it's going to create questions with multiple choice answers. Now I've already filled in some information for the topic here. I just put in generating leads. And for my audience, since my audience is all about growing their business with internet marketing, I put in lead generations, and the tone of voice, I just put casual here. So when you do that and you click the generate AI content, this is what it's going to produce here. So it came out with three pieces of content here, and we're going to go over them real quick. And I'm going to show you how this is going to get you more engagement for your polls and stuff, right? So the first one here is, do you like to generate leads? Now that's going to get a conversation going inside of a group that's about growing your business, right? So I really like this one here, and it's just like a yes or no. But I also like to get people conversating and stuff. So this next one here is, what's your best lead generating tool? Okay, now this one I think it's going to get more reaction out of my members, because they're going to start looking back over the times when they started creating content, was getting a lot of engagement and stuff, and they're going to want to post something more, because I like to also put an option like other as a poll so they can start commenting. So I put like other, leave a comment, so just in case they got to say something and want to tell a story about how many leads and stuff they got off a certain social media platform. And I think they're missing one here also. I think they need to have TikTok on here, because they got like over like a billion members now. So I definitely need to add that in there. But this is one that I really like, and this one was sort of off topic, so I'm just gonna skip it out real quick. All right, so the one I'm going to use here is this one here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy this. So I'm gonna copy this right here, and then we're gonna go back over to my Facebook group, and we're gonna use this one. So I'm gonna paste this one in here, and let's just hit paste. Okay, so there's my question. Here's my answer. And in the polls here, you got the options. What you do is basically you want to put in your answers in here. So I'm going to copy this one, and let's cut and paste, puts it right here. So that's LinkedIn, and they got Facebook. Let me copy this one. Okay, what's going on here? Let's see if I can get this one. Copy that, put that one in number 2. And let's do Twitter. Let's see, let's cut, paste, put that there. And like I say, I like TikTok because I'm getting a lot of engagement. I see a lot of activity going over there. So I'm going to add another option here. So let's put in TikTok. Let's see, TikTok as an option right there. So, okay, now we're going to just get rid of this. And now, this is a tip here. If you want them to get even more engaged and start leaving comments and stuff like that on it, then I would suggest that you add another option and you put other. So that's just like this here. Just put other, leave comment below. So they know that they can post comments if they like also, which you can post comments uh, on a poll also. Now, once you finish adding in your answers, now what you can do is you can click over here to this side here. I think this is kind of important. When you click this button here, it has these two options here right here. It says allow people to choose multiple answers. Now, a lot of people like to, they might have more than one favorite social media platform. So that's good. You have that checked. Now you got allow anyone to add options. Now I'm assuming that this is the options right here that you can add different options and stuff on there. Now I wouldn't suggest that, if that's what that's meaning. So I'm just going to uncheck that, and that's kind of very important. So once you got that done, now after you get that, you also can schedule your poll, right, to get posts. Now this is kind of important. Now for group members who have insights inside of their Facebook group, what you can do is you can go to engagement and go check out when is the best time for your popular days and your popular times. Now people who have groups and they got insights, they know what I'm talking about on this here. You want to check that out and see when it's going to be the best time to get the most engagement when you post that, because this is how you can do your scheduling. I'm gonna click this real quick. And once you get that information of the most popular day and the most popular time, you want to come here and you want to add it in for you to schedule your group poll. Now mine, I think it was on a Tuesday. I think it was a Tuesday or Wednesday. No, it was a Tuesday, and I think it was around maybe like 10 o'clock or something like that. 10 or something in the mornings. All right, so I'm gonna scroll all the way down here to around about 10 a.m. Okay, see, now that'd be the perfect time for me to post this here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna schedule that right there. So I'm gonna hit schedule, because that's the best time for me to schedule that group post. Now, what I was talking about is, let me scroll down to show y'all something real quick. See, I've got insights over here for my Facebook group. And what you do is you go over here to engagement, and that's where you're going to see the most popular days and popular time. You get all that information inside of your group when to start posting stuff. So that's going to be very helpful. Try to get even more engagement inside of your in your poll. Now I want you to show y'all one that is already been done, and it has people that done voted. I got some votes on there and some comments. So let's go check that out. All right. So this is the one that I did maybe in August. And it says, what is the number one thing holding you back from making money inside of your business, right? So I put in lead generation, marketing, traffic generation. Then I got leave comment below. So these two are like neck and neck right here. 14 votes here, 14 votes for marketing, lead generation. Now on the side here, you can actually see the people who have voted here. If you come over here and you just go on the side here, you can see the people who actually voted. So after you have checked that out, then this is a good reason why I say to leave a comment below, or have like other and leave comment below, is because that now they will start comment below and get more information. Then you can come in and start communicating with them even more. So we got one of them that's saying like, bring my business into conversations, finding employees. And that is the reason why you need to add this other extra option here to get people more engaged and start leaving these comments down here below. So, guys, I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you can get more engagement inside of your Facebook group by creating polls. And if you like this if you like this kind of content and video, then make sure that you like and comment below, guys. And if you want to also get like a free trial of Jarvis and have it create content, engaging content for you, then you can do that. And plus, you're going to get 10,000 words. And I'll have that link in the description below, guys, if you want to check that out. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.